Have you started investing or maybe want to get into it? Sure, it can be intimidating and overwhelming for beginners, but it's easier than you think. Today, we are going to be looking at the top 5 best investment apps for beginners. Whether you're a veteran in the investment game or a rookie, you better stick around, because we guarantee that some of these apps are worthy for you to check out and might make you the next billionaire. Investing feels more accessible than it's ever been. With just one tap of a finger, anyone can get started. But in a sea full of investment options and apps you can use, it's easy to clog your nose with unnecessary information. So how do you choose? The apps we're going through today stand out in their own ways. It all depends on what you're looking for. So if you want the full rundown on each one, well then stick around to have the full details on what each app offers and which one best fits you. Now let's get into business. Acorns. Acorns was launched in 2012 with the purpose of promoting incremental and passive investing. Simply put, it helps you with investing easily despite not having a lot of money and time. Acorns' Roundup feature is one of their notable selling points, wherein you can set up your account so that whenever you make a purchase with a debit or credit card, the cost is automatically rounded up to the closest whole dollar and the extra charge is separated in an account for you. When that reaches $5, the amount is automatically invested. Investing is incredibly made easy with only a small amount. Another great feature is automated investing. With this, you can decide how much money you want to contribute every day, week, month, or for the next 100 years. And Acorns automatically pulls out that amount of your bank account and invests it for you. Acorns caters you with 5 preset investment portfolios, scaling from conservation to aggressive. This takes a lot of the guesswork out of trying to decide how to invest your money. The only drawback would be its limit, wherein you can't rebalance your portfolio or invest in individual stocks or index funds. However, with Acorns, there is a monthly fee that ranges from $1, $2, or $5 per month, with the higher tiers giving you access to IRA or custodial accounts for your young ones. Surely $1 to $5 doesn't sound much, but if you take the subscription cost as a fee, it might actually be a bit costly depending on how much money you choose to invest. But that monthly fee will definitely be worth it if you're the type of person who struggles to save on their own or simply just wants a simple way of investing. Acorns is a great option for people who are new to the investment field. It is an effortless and low-stress way to get the job done. Stash. Next up, we got Stash. Stash gets you started with just $5. It lets you set up automated investing and it offers a roundup feature similar to Acorns when you use a Stash debit card. Stash can also build a customized smart portfolio for you based on your own risk tolerance. They will rebalance it quarterly and you'd be stress-free. One of its best features is that it gives you the option of buying fractional shares of both stocks and ETFs. Another cool feature is their stock-back program. Instead of giving you cashbacks when you use the Stash debit card, it gives you fractional shares of a company's stock. Stash also offers a dividend reinvestment plan. The dividends that your investment earns gets put into your cash account, and when it hits the limit that you set, it is automatically reinvested. Stash has a subscription model of $1, $3, and $9 with the higher tiers giving you access to IRAs and custodial accounts. If Acorns is a little bit too safe for you, Stash gives you more flexibility. M1 Finance. Our next app is M1 Finance. In all these apps, this is probably the most advanced option there is. It gives you the option of picking from portfolios they offer or creating your own from scratch. They also offer commission-free trades and automated investing. Unlike the other apps on the list, M1 Finance does require a $100 minimum investment and there is also a $25 minimum on automatic trades. M1 only offers market orders. There are no limits or stop orders. It's not much of a deal breaker, but of course you would want to know. M1 has a free and paid version, with that shimmering amount of $125 a year. But with that, you receive 1% APY on your cash accounts, 1% cashback, custodial accounts, and being able to borrow money up to 35% of your portfolio's value with a 2% interest. While $125 per year might be a little bit of the hefty scale, it might be helpful in the long run depending on your needs. Public. Next up, we got Public. Public offers you the standard feature of an investing app, but with features that allow you to peek into other people's portfolios. It caters its users with commission-free trades with no maintenance fees, no minimum investments, and instant access to funds and an optional drip. They don't offer recurring deposits at the moment, for this feature is currently in the works. Another drawback would be that they don't currently offer IRAs, and unlike the other apps on the list, there's no automated option. You have the freedom to pick your own investments. However, you can choose from stocks or ETFs, and Public will give you market stop and limit options on your trades. Buying fractional shares is also made possible by Public, which they call slices. Public's founders noted that they wanted to make investing less intimidating and more inclusive. One surefire way to achieve that is through their visually pleasing themes. These are curated collections of stocks based around specific criteria. Public also offers social components that make it even more inviting. With this, you can follow other investors, ask questions, share innovative ideas, and get into group chats about specific stocks, and even see what other people are investing in. The social aspects of Public make it its best feature. Another big drawback would be their 2.4 APY, which they offer on its uninvested cash up to $10,000. This makes Public a very enticing place to park your cash while studying in the market. The curated stock themes, social component, and the no minimum investment makes Public the best choice for curious beginners who are ready to test the waters by making their own investments. It is also a good environment for experienced investors who want to earn money on cash and have access to the commission-free trading. SoFi. Last on the list is SoFi. SoFi is like a pop store for all things investing. It's probably the best option for people who are investing for the long term and who want to earn. SoFi offers a range of banking features like loans, refinancing, and honestly, it's worth it to look into everything they have to offer. SoFi can create a portfolio for you based on your aims, which they'll rebalance for you, or you can choose to make active trades. They also offer automated investing, commission-free trades on stocks, fraction shares, drips, market and limit orders, but no stop orders, and there is access to IRAs. There is 0% commission on trading individual stocks. However, SoFi does charge a management fee for its ETFs. Unlike the other apps, it allows you to buy some cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Another distinct feature would be the option to participate in IPOs before they're traded on an exchange. Like Public, SoFi allows members to share investment portfolios, follow other members, comment on their trades, and observe how they stack up in the market and other members via a dynamic leaderboard. Possibly one of the best things about SoFi would be their free access to a financial advisor. SoFi is the best option for people who appreciate a community aspect and the ability to get professional financial advice, as well as diving deep into options like crypto and IPOs. To wrap it up, we have Acorn, Stash, M1 Finance, Public, and SoFi. It was a pretty long ride, and we've covered a lot of ground on this, so let's do a quick recap. Acorns is ideal for beginners who are looking for ways to get started while doing minimal research and having less stress and pressure. Stash is great for more adventurous beginners, for it offers a wider range of investment options. M1 Finance jumps up a notch with a $100 minimum to get started, but gives you free access to IRA accounts with the option to have pre-made portfolios and the option to create your own. Public has a great feature such as its social component, allowing you to connect with other investors to see the current hype. It doesn't offer IRAs, but it does have a 2.5 APY on your cash accounts. Lastly, we have SoFi that also has a social component feature and also offers you access to IPOs, IRAs, cryptocurrency, and totally free consultations from qualified financial advisors. Have you used any of these apps? Let's hear about your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, kindly click like and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.